I'm Tom Goldenberg. I graduated from Dev Bootcamp in July of 2015. I'm also the author of BuildReactNative.com, a mobile development tutorial. And when I was going through Bootcamp, I noticed that there were some things that students can do to kind of go above and beyond the curriculum and really land a good first job. Number one is definitely network. So, go to meetups, talk to people that are actually doing what you want to do and ask them what skills you need to get that kind of job. And I definitely did that when I was going through boot camp. The second is find a compromise between your passion and something that's hireable. So, for example, there's a lot of technologies to choose from. You don't want to choose a technology that is way on the fringe and that nobody is using, but it's kind of interesting to you. But at the same time, you don't have to pick the technology that everyone's using just because it's popular. So find projects and technologies that you can showcase to employers, but that you enjoy. And number three would be to hustle. I mean, just going to the boot camp is not enough. You really have to make an effort to get in front of people, to showcase your talent. And sometimes that can mean, presenting at a meetup, presenting something you learned, or doing a lightning talk, doing anything to really get yourself in front of people to land those interviews. The Meteor NY meetup is great for people that are into JavaScript. I definitely learned a lot through that community, and they helped me to get my first job. Of course, I'm biased, but I would say the React Native NYC meetup is great. It's one that I helped to organize, and we focus on mobile development with JavaScript. And another ThoughtBot does a Ruby meetup at Flatiron, and it's just very collaborative. And I like, I don't like meetups where it's just purely lectures, where people actually get to meet and greet and collaborate on stuff together. I chose React at the time. I knew that I wanted to focus on a JavaScript framework, and at the time React just made a lot of sense to me, even though it wasn't extremely popular. Now it is, it's widely used, and it was a bet that I made that I'm glad that I did. Indeed and LinkedIn can be great for just sending your resume to everyone. But there are sites like AngelList where it's more focused on startups and up and coming companies, and it can be a much more informal process. You just kind of express interest in the company. If they're interested, they set up a phone interview.